Well, it might not be too graceful, but I'm halfway done with that. Beholden Thy Bolts. And, well, tell ya what, this shop ain't exactly the peakest peak of NASCAR. Don't got no lift, but that's because it's not meant to. It's the basement of a construction company. And I get to use it for free. The only thing I own in here is that and my cool looking hat over there. It's pretty neat. I have no clue how to use this. I do. The coolant cleanup, coolant is still. Behold the coolant. Oh, the wonders of unplugging a radiator hose.